Hello, my name is Joseph, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to track your expenses on your mobile phone. Welcome back. So, to track your expenses on the phone, all that you need to do is to have a smartphone. Go to Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you can go to App Store if you're using an iPhone. So once it opens, search for One Money. Once it opens, you install. Wait for it to download. So this is one of the best apps that you can use. As you can see here, it has been reviewed by 87,000. It has been downloaded by over 1 million people. Okay, so once you are done with the installation, you can open it. Get started so that you sign in. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, it has opened. So how do you use this app to track your expenses? When you look at this app, you'll see a bigger circle on the center. So click there, it will take you to income. On the income, it is showing salary here. Let's say, for example, you're an employee and this is your income. Then open salary. Here, put in the amount that you receive, okay, in that particular month. That is after tax. So let's say after tax, your salary is going to be 5,000 kwacha, maybe $5,000. You indicate there. So what has happened here? Income 5,000 kwacha, and then down there there's 0 kwacha, which is in red. That means that is indicating that any expense that are going to show there will indicate in red. So click back on the circle once again, and it will take you back to expenses. Once we're here, you'll see that it has a number of categories here. We have family, health, groceries, restaurant, leisure, transport, gifts, and shopping. Okay, so let's start allocating our budget into different categories. Let's say this month you want to help a family member with 400 kwacha. There you go, you see that 400 kwacha has indicated in red and the 5,000 kwacha is still in green. Then on top of this account of this app, there's a 4,600 kwacha. So that is the total balance. How did this happen? The app has automatically subtracted 400 kwacha from 5,000 kwacha, hence the balance of 4,600 kwacha. And then in shopping, maybe this month you want to shop some clothes, some new clothes worth 800 kwacha. You see that the expense amount here keeps on increasing and the balance on top keeps on reducing. Groceries, maybe you want to spend 350 kwacha, for example. Sorry, here the 800 kwacha that we had put in here is for shopping, but family we can maybe have 500 there. Okay, and then you see that it keeps on increasing. Expenses here keeps on increasing and the balance there keeps on reducing. And then if there's something that you want to add here which is not included, you click on the plus button here, plus button, and then you say maybe this is saving. Okay, savings. Okay, then down here you can see your transactions by clicking on this, and then you see that every amount that you have allocated to a certain category is indicating here. And so we have a 500 kwacha, 350, blah 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 blah. And then when you go further on this graph there, you see that it will show you, it's going to show you the percentages allocated to each category. So gifts, for example, you have allocated 39%, shopping 24%, family 20%, and groceries you have allocated 17%. Okay, so when you add 2050 kwacha plus the balance here 2950 kwacha, you get the 5000 kwacha. So this app will help you manage your money. There's some other apps that you can still use, like Google Sheet. It also helps you to make a very good budget. Well, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel so that you get notified wherever we post a new video.